In this tutorial, let me show you how you can add a text to iPhone videos. Like I've showed you in the past, like how you're gonna do this and add it to a photo. That's pretty simple, but in the gallery, when we go to the edit mode, we simply don't have the button or a tool to paste text over your videos there. That's why we're gonna need to use a different app for it. I would recommend you to get this one, the CapCut video editor. It's free to download and you can use it with a subscription but also without it. And you can see that I already have it downloaded on this other device in here. And essentially you're going to start a new project, import your video into the timeline like this, or, just click on the plus button to bring more videos. But the point is that below in the timeline, you have the add text button. Click on add a text again, and now you can either choose from all of these different styles and the different ways it will look, and of course move it around, replace the text with your own, and essentially add the text to the video as you see in here. So honestly, it's looking very nice. You can just kind of like move it around the timeline, make it go from the beginning till the end or however you like it, and this is something which you simply don't have available in the built-in gallery. So using an app like this, using a video editor like CapCut, you can add text to your videos, then just click on export to save the whole thing, and you're gonna end up with a video which, as you can see there in the preview, contains the text. And again, it would not be possible using the built-in tool. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.